Hi, Lauren Lamb here coming to you on location from the Seidel Steinberg Beaver office. I'm here to talk to you today about a question that I get asked very frequently from people that are considering filing for bankruptcy, and that is, if I do file, do I have to attend a hearing? The answer to that is yes, but it's not what you think. The hearing is actually called a meeting of creditors, and that's even a bit misleading because even though the creditors are invited, most times they don't come. And when I say most, I would say they only show up about 1% of the time. If you file for a Chapter 7 bankruptcy and you live here in Beaver County, your meeting is held in the Beaver County Bar Association building. That's 2 doors down from the courthouse on Turnpike Street. There's convenient metered parking right along the street. You walk up to the building and around to the back because that's where the meeting room is located. And it is just a room, just a conference room. Okay, it's not a courtroom, and there's not even going to be a judge there. Let me tell you who is going to be there. First of all, I'm going to be there with you. I'm going to get there early so that I can discuss all of the questions that you're going to get asked. And if you're curious about how to answer them, we'll go over that. The good thing is, there's not even anything that you need to be coached on. It's going to be simple questions, things like, do you own any real estate? Have you filed all of your tax returns? Things like that. Second person that's going to be there is the bankruptcy trustee, and he's an attorney that works for the bankruptcy court. It's his job to ask you those questions to make sure that you were truthful on everything that we submitted to the court and that you really don't have the money that could be used to repay all of the debts. His questioning only takes about 3 minutes, and he's very nice, so don't be too intimidated. The other people that are there are other people that are in the exact same situation as you, okay? A lot of people don't like that there are other people in the room, but the good thing is they're in the same boat and they're really not listening to your answers to the trustees' questions as much as you might think they are. They're going over paperwork with their attorneys, they're talking amongst themselves. They're not concentrated on what you're doing. So, as you can see, while there is a hearing that you have to attend if you file for bankruptcy, it's nothing to get yourself too worked up about. Honestly, the most common comment I get from my clients once the meeting is over is that it? Am I really done? And the answer is yes. So, if you're thinking about filing for bankruptcy, don't be worried about having to go to court because that's all there is to it.